High visibility. Nilight amber white rooftop strobe light has a total of 48 high-intensity LED chips. Provided maximum illuminate coverage and be visible from greater distance. Visible in daylight, midnight, rainy, foggy or snow days. Easy installation. This strobe lights as plug and play and comes with 2 magnetic cups with a total of 14 magnets. Just attach the magnetic base on any metal exterior of cars and plug the cigar lighter. Flash patterns. There are 16 strobe patterns to choose from. The 12-volt cigarette plug with a dual switch, one controls power on-off and one momentary switch change between 16 different flash modes, includes last pattern memory recall. Patterns include rotating, flashing, alternating between left and right side, etc. Durability. Made of sturdy ABS housing, the upgraded scratch-resistant crystal clear PC optic lens deliver max brightness. Integrated heatsink, and anti-condensation drain port, improve the problem of water vapor condensation inside the lens. Applications. This strobe light is suitable for postal and city service workers or emergency cars and trucks, construction vehicles, tractors, snowplows or any 12 volts to 24 volts vehicles. Improve drive security and avoid accidents. Nilight 12 amber white roof top strobe lights material. ABS LED, 48 LEDs color, amber and white voltage, 1-2 VDC cable length, 9.51 FT strobe patterns, 16 lifespan, over 50,000 hours. Application. Emergency cars and trucks, construction vehicles, tractors, snowplows or any 12 volts to 24 volts vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. This is a great product at a super price. I had bought one from a major auto parts place and paid way more money for it. These are a great price.